Now, why would they want to do that instead of sitting inside at the CQ desk in the lobby?
Is there something wrong with the building?
You're damn right there's something wrong with it. Strange noises, smells, you name it.
Sergeant, are you saying that the building is haunted?
Took you that long, didn't it?
Oh, okay. I get it. Prank the new guy, right, Sergeant? Yeah, very funny.
Do I look like I'm laughing?
But
Look, you'll figure it out eventually.
uh,
Have a good night.